Ski right past me, Teresa. Come on, Deanna, you come too. Good job, Reese. Keep going, then do a hockey stop when you pass me. There's Uncle Colin doing fakie. Deanna. Marky? All right, Teresa, keep going. Let me see you. Say hi, Mommy. Okay, keep going. Keep going, guys.